What? Hey, Frost, you trying to add me on the DMs?
Of course you know me.
Ooh, wait. Did you just say I can DM you?
Yeah, if you pay the right amount of money.
Bruh. Here, no scope, cross map. Go ahead and go. That didn't even get close.
Haha, team kill, very funny.
They've gone A every round.
Pros can do this, why can't I? Yeah?
Because you're not that level.
Because
you're Nova 1.
My level is fluid, bitch.
Just like your gender.
Bitch. Holy shit! He's on that level.
Oh shit! Alright!
If you drink a coffee once a day, you're addicted.
What?
Yes, just like you smoke weed once a day, you're fucking addicted.
No, it's also
that's like saying you drink water. You drink water once a day, you're addicted to water.
You are. All humans are fucking addicted to water.
Because we need it to survive.
Is that false? Yes, you're addicted. You're forced to, basically, by your body. But when you introduce shit that you don't need to survive, you're fucking addicted.
Literally so you're addicted to everything that isn't basic nutrition, is what you're saying.
What? No.
What?
I'm not addicted to meth.
Oh my god, dude.
I'm complaining about CSGO.
Oh my god. Bro, those two fucking sucks.
Dude, don't fucking argue with me right now, bro. I'm tired, bro. I don't know what's going on. God.
It's dude, it's fucking hilarious though, because Frizz like will do anything. Like you
You're
could
fucking annoying. Yeah, you know when I left, by the way, I put 40 on green. You know what happened? I fucking lost. Fuck you. God damn, bro. Every time you bring it up, I lose money.
I killed one first, so...
Oh my god, fucking Tyrone. Sorry, that was kind of gay.
It was.
You're not supposed to fucking agree with me, goddammit.
I don't follow the rules.
Fuck, alright.
You know this.
I'm down with that.
Yeah? Bash.
Wait, what did you just call me? You just called me a bish? Bro, that was some fucking sick snatches, bro. Holy shit.
Oh my god. I can't even, what was that?
Is that funny? Stop being a fucking woohoo girl. Be your own person.
Who's that?
You.
Alright, first of all, you sound like you jerk off to fucking innocent little girls on fucking Omegle.
Shut the fuck up, idiot. You smoke fucking a pack of red.
Hey, bro.
Hey, wait, I smoke a pack of red 100s? Is that what you just said? Bro, why are you so mad for?
Like, this is casual.
You have a gay voice, but you're not gay. That's weird.
Bye-bye.
Oh my god, it worked.
So when this guy comes...
Look at all them bullets.
Oh!
One South African.
West Africa?
South Africa.
Oh, see, like down here in the south, we talk like
shut
this.
up.
Hey, you got your Ford Mustang put in yet?
Yeah, man, fucking inline 4. I'm a turbocharger one of these days, eBay turbo kit.
Alright. Want to see a crazy 1D?
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, you hit that?
What the fuck?
Oh yeah, you said I went semi-pro in Fortnite. You know I had offers from orgs, right? I had many offers.
Did you ever take them?
No, I didn't take them.
Okay, so then you weren't pro yet.
Are you fucking stupid?
No.
I didn't work for that much just to be called a semi-pro, dude.
All right, you probably
faggot. God, you're pissing me off, dude.
It's okay, it's alright. We'll get off that.
He's like fucking Emperor Palpatine from Star Wars. Feed your anger.
It's okay to repress your rage, man.
It's not. It's terrible to do that. What the fuck?
My fucking bullets won't hit. Dude.
Alright, get that bomb down. Get that
This
bomb
game
down.
sucks.
Wait, what happened?
Let me
That was a
backtrack real
joke.
quick.
That was a joke.
Yeah.
He's actually
Okay, yeah, I'm feeding into him, huh, High Tree?
Shut up, bro. This is fucking circle jerk, man. I hate you.
Okay.
Oh
I
my
literally,
God.
like, I'm not even joking. Like, I'm not actually mad at you guys, like, obviously, but
Oh, yeah.
I
hate you guys.
You're just not having it. I have
no.
those days every once in a while where I'm just mad at the world just
no,
because.
but it's not even like that, God. I'm not in my body right now.
All right,
I don't know how to explain it, bro. My eyes feel weird. I'm fucking tired. I don't know. Content when my weed smells like hands. What? What?
What the fuck just came out your mouth?
My weed smells like hand. Oh, my hands smell like weeds.
Yeah.
Jesus
fuck.
Christ almighty.
Wow, I'm losing brain cells.
I'm losing brain cells listening to you, bro. I thought that you said it right the first time.
Oh my god, a YouTuber, famous YouTuber, is sending me a friend request.
Oh my god.
I'm not famous anymore because Famous Birthdays unfollowed me, and I'm really pissed.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
You
I
probably were
don't know.
complaining too much.
Yeah, I probably complained. I literally DM'd them. I was like, follow me since I'm on your website. And they said, followed. And I said, thanks, heart. And then now I sent them, why you unfollowed me?
Handle.
Oh my fucking god. What? Sorry. Sorry, I literally just fucking shit on those kids with this new mouse.
Literally goes on the knife. So when you stab someone, you make sure that's imprinted in them as well.
Wait.
Wait, what?
No.
Wait, what is that?
When you stab someone, it imprints right into their soul.
Dude, I'm fucking clapping cheeks. I feel like I can go pro in CS right now.
You're in
Holy
warm
shit.
up.
Holy shit, yeah, I'm a warm-up warrior,
Oh
bitch.
my god.
Dude, sign me. What the fuck? No, but the thing is like before when I would hit those digs, my wrist would hurt. Dude, I'm doing this shit easy, bro.
He's still talking about that new mouse, dude.
Bro, you're gonna
Right.
hear about it for the next 5 hours. I guarantee it.
Oh god. Hey, yo, I'm gonna try to break this one with my dick. I don't know how.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
What?
What? My
Wait,
dick.
sorry?
And you wonder why we call you gay.
Oh, why do they keep saying it in
fuck!
At least we got a plant. Why
Yo,
would-
I just I messaged U2s. I said, hey U2s, I received my figures that y'all sent. I'm wondering, how many RTs for a juice box figure for my subs? Name your number. If they say like 10K, I think I can get it.
10K what?
Retweets.
You think you can get that?
No. One can believe, bro.
clip.
Come on.
Okay.
1 point. Oh! 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 That's a clip.
He has an up. He also has an up.
Oh!
Oh, there's still someone. Go. Oh, I am so good at this video.
Oh my god,
Dude,
God.
my mouse!
Fuck, God.
I know, like,
Dude, wait,
6 times.
God, what happened?
It's literally my mouse is disconnecting. And I can't.
You know what you need?
What do I need, Frizz? What do I fucking need?
Series mouse, man.
Oh, okay. Steel series. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that dude just got an ace.
Ja, ik kom zo naar beneden, rustig aan.
What the fuck did you just say? What fucking language was that?